Hey, thanks BCTruck. I really appreciate it. I love this mug. Solid stainless steel. Keeps the coffee nice and hot. Woo! All right, I'm going to be doing a giveaway on my channel soon. I've been working with GAW Industries, the guys who make deoxit type stuff, you know, the contact cleaner. They wanted to send me some promo stuff, you know, to advertise on my YouTube channel, and I was like, well, I really don't need, I got a lot of their stuff already. I said, well, why not we just do like a goodie box for some of my viewers and kind of do what BCTruck did on his channel, you know, with this Saturday thing, which I think is cool. So I'm working with GAW Industries or Labs, and we're getting together a like a little promo type thing. So I'll do the same thing that Brad's doing on his channel, you know, with you know, you got to subscribe or whatever you need to do to, you know, to qualify. And then the company said they will send the box directly to you if you win. So stay tuned on that. But yeah, this is really good stuff. I use this all the time. All right, guys. Hey, thanks for watching, and stay warm and dry. I mean, we had some crazy weather last night. Check this out. All right, guys. We'll see you later. Have a good one. They wanted to do a video on my fuck. I'm parting.